Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Just wanted to reach out really quickly and extend my, just my thoughts to everyone. I know that there's a lot of struggling going on. A lot of people are feeling very discombobulated, or just feeling untethered, or feeling like, a sense of unbalance or unsettled, right? So there's a lot going on, and it's a lot for anyone to bear. On top of just the regular everyday stressors, we just have so many things competing for our energy and our time and our empathy and our compassion, and so many things that are causing us to feel overwhelmed and overstressed. So it's vitally important that we have community, that we create relationships and connections that are healthy and nourishing. And so, reach out to people, connect. Even if it's been a while, reach out to people you haven't talked to that you feel a deep connection to, that could provide some healthy support, or that you could be in a healthy relationship with, because we're going to need that now more than ever. And if you're needing additional support in the way of therapy, coaching, or counseling, then reach out. There's so many helpers and healers out there, like myself, wanting to help and be of service. So if you think that you're needing some extra supports, there's nothing, there's that's a it's good to just reach out and get that support when you need it, right? So let's get rid of any bias around seeking help and seeking support when we need it the most. And and just being compassionate and caring towards each other, recognizing that we're all struggling in one way or another. And let's just try to have a little bit more empathy and care. All right. So if I can be of help to you at all, please feel free to reach out. Private message me if you like. And of course, follow me on all the different socials, because I'll post, various to various places, sometimes different content. So feel free to follow me, feel free to reach out, and have yourself a great rest of your day. And know that you're not alone. Namaste.